September, and today I've entered in my first trade here at the second candle. I took a PE and I thought that Nifty took resistance from this line, and this was my SL. My SL was particularly this red line 941, and I exited just on this green candle. And now Nifty is rallying towards this point. So I'll again try to enter in a put trade, 970, 980 in this range. Till 18,000 I'll try to enter in a put trade, and I don't mind to give a SL again. So let me clear all this out. Yes. So, and this was the first one, 17,600. So I made a loss of 275, and I'm again planning to enter at this one, 17,700. I'll enter at 17,700 PE. If I end it a bit above. So let me put in. So 36. One quantity. Buy. So the PE of 17,700 is now at 38.2530, and I have set our limit price at 36. Yeah, 960. It is coming down from 960, but so let's see. And if I can enter above 960 at 970, like close to 982, then I'll keep my stop loss here. This line 18,024. So okay, let's see what happens. So I've re-entered in a trade in a PE position. The P that I marked, that I put limit on at 36.50, then I changed it to 38, and it was it got hit. So I am now in a PE position of 17,700, and I entered at 17,958. This is a very good point where I entered. Nifty made a red candle, and here in this particular place, this one, and on the second red candle I entered. So Nifty seemed to take support from this line, this resistance line of the daily chart. And Nifty, like this was the last, this resistance line, this trending resistance is the last two swings of Nifty. And I've kept my SL at 983.84. So at this point, 982. And if my SL gets hit, I'll exit, because Nifty can turn downwards, but the option chain data, is showing that there are a lot of put writers and like very less quantity or negligible quantity of call writers. So change in open interest for the put writings at 17,900, 950 are increasing rapidly. So I don't think they will let Nifty fall down. But if Nifty has taken rejection from this point, from this black line that I've drawn earlier, so this is the reason I took a PE trade, and I'll trail my SL to the black line only. So the black line will come near about 969, and I have taken the trade at 958. So 10, 11, 12 points, almost approximately 12 points SL I'll give in the index. So, and my possibly target would be till this point, I guess 800, or maybe till here 829. So I'll try to take 100 points in the index, 100, and if possible more. So for the last 2 days, in the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I was very busy, so I couldn't practice any meditation, and I woke up late today. But this mindfulness or meditation, whatever it is called, I need to practice it more as an exercise to calm myself. Because all those impulsive decisions during the trading session is pulling me back, and I know this for sure. If I want to grow as a trader, I definitely have to work on my psychology. Like all the big traders say, trading is a psychological game. So no, the first trade that I entered here, I had taken a loss of 300 rupees almost. But let's see what happens. And this is a trending support line. This red line is a trending support line. If Nifty somehow breaks this trending support line, then I'll decide as to where my where my target should be. And once Nifty break today's low, I'll trail my SL to the exact to the exact resistance line which I had drawn earlier. So that is it, and need to work on my mind and practice patience to hold the trade, or I'll give my SL, whatever it is. But now also my SL is not that big, 982, and I have entered at 58. So almost 25-26 point difference, so which is okay. So let's see. Exited my position. Market was choppy and it took resistance exactly. Didn't hit my SL. And so I exited the last candle, 927, and 958 was the entry point. So 30 points I captured in the index, and this 30 point gave me a total loss of 160. So that's it for today, and I was thinking to carry the PE position for tomorrow, but I didn't. I was not sure what would happen, so I exited. That's it for today. So let's see what happens tomorrow.